Hello everyone. Today I'm going to review this sunshade sent to me by a brand called Pigneus. So they specialize in all the sunshades for cars. So yeah, it's very important to put sunshade while you have parked your car for a prolonged period of time, especially on summer. So yeah, right now I'm heading to work, but I will be parking the car on near the train station in a car park, which means I'll have to, and then I'll take the train, which means I'll have to leave the car in this hot weather throughout the day, which means the temperature inside can reach well above 50 degrees Celsius and 60 degrees Celsius. So it's the first time I'm using a sunset from Pigneus. So yeah, let's see how it works, how it helps. Once I reach the car park, I'll just find a parking spot there, and I'll just install the sunset. Okay, I've come to the car park now. I'm just trying to find a parking spot for my car. It gets quite busy at this time of the day. It's 9:27. However, I found a spot. I'm just gonna park here. Oh, I can park here as well. Not a biggie. What I'll do is I'll just reverse and park. Okay. So now I'm just gonna remove this from the plastic. Just as you can see here, I have not used this, to be honest. I had this for quite some time, but as you know, the weather down under is different from the rest of the world. I had to wait to get this installed because the company sent this to me months back, and this is the first time I'm going to use it. So as you can see here, we've got two rubber straps, and then you can just and we've got some paperwork as well, thank you, and yeah, some installation guide. Yeah, so basically it's very simple. Just leave it somewhere here now. So you've got two parts. One is the reflective part. This is the reflective part, and another is just black in color. So you need to install in such a way that the reflective part faces outside, so that it reflects the sunny rays. So I'm gonna, and then you always have a cutout for the mirror part. Oops. Yeah, so if you have things over here, then it's certain that they're gonna fall. So yeah, so as you can see, the reflective part is outside, and yeah, I guess it's made for Tesla, because you can see here it's cut out from this this part. I'm not sure if you can see here. So I'm just gonna install it as so, and take help of this sun visor. Yeah, sun visor, and then same here. So you need to install it in such a way that everything is covered, not even a single gap is there for the sunset to, for the sunny rays to get inside the cabin. So as you can see here, there are some gaps. So yeah, the idea is that you cover everything, especially here. I can see there's a lot of gap. So Yeah, it could be a bit difficult at first. All right. Yeah, so I guess this is how we do it. Okay, I've installed it for most part of the windscreen. However, I can see a little bit of gap here. So I tried to cover this thing up, but it didn't help. So yeah, I can still see some gaps over here. So not the easiest, or maybe not something that I was already used to, but yeah, I'll try to cover all the gaps. Yeah, so this is the best I could do. Can still see some gaps, but yeah, so but it's only the first time. I'll be tracking the temperature during the day. I think that this point is the most prone to the sunlights during the day, and the temperature inside the cabin going up, cabin going up. So yeah, let's just see today, and I will tell you about the results later. Okay, I'm back from work, nearing to the car now. And yeah, during the day when I checked, the temperature went way above, up to 52 degrees Celsius. And I think the main reason is that the gap just below the mirror. Yeah, so since it reached way above, up to 52 degrees Celsius, and it's mostly because of this gap, I had to turn the cabin overheat protection on, which helped. So yeah, I think this windscreen, it's good. I mean, the sunshade, it's good, but it's not perfect. So maybe the guys should work on this, and maybe include some kind of suction cup or something to hold here. So yeah, overall I think it's good. It's better to have something than to have nothing at all. So yeah, thanks for watching the video, and we will see you in the next one.